So, you could say, in relation to the levels of development that Donna and I taught, that I have said that higher levels is more present, lower levels is less present. I've said higher levels is some freedom from our passion and fixation, and lower levels is more and more stuck in our passion and fixation. But from this point of view, the more we are down the levels, the more we're dominated by the imprinting of our object relations patterns. We don't see reality outside of those patterns. And they can be all encompassing. We can do harm to relationships, to ourselves, to others, based on an object relation completely dominating our sense of what's going on. In a certain sense, I would almost say that the roots of there are biological things that can go wrong with our brains, obviously, but the roots of a lot of the deep suffering that occurs in some of the mental and emotional problems people get into is kind of a throbbing object relation that's so powerful they can't get around it. Right? And then it kind of takes over the life.